So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share the YouTube videos with someone with a specific time code. Like if someone will click on the links you have shared, a video will play on the specific time code that you have been set to play. So all you have to do is to open the YouTube application and click on the share for the video you want to share with someone and copy the link for the video. Once you copy the link, open the social media or any platform where you want to share the link. Like if I open the WhatsApp and paste the link over there. Now all you have to do is to, after entering the link, type question mark t is equals to, and now write the time code at which you want to play the video. Likewise, if I want to play the video on 1 minute and 10 seconds, I'll set it to 70 seconds. The time code should be in seconds only, so whenever you share the video, convert the minutes into seconds only and type this and share the video. Now if the user will click on this, the video will be directly start from the time code of 1 minute and 10 seconds. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such interesting and helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.